So today we are going to be talking about a very, very important and new site that we have just completed. साइट की हम आज बात कर रहे हैं, इट्स अ कमर्शियल साइट. कमर्शियल साइट्स में द वे यू डिजाइन देयर एंटायर बिजनेस इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन दैट, बिकॉज आपको उस क्लाइंट पर्सपेक्टिव के हिसाब से एक क्लाइंट प्लीजिंग एंड बिजनेस प्रमोटिंग डिजाइन को सजेस्ट करना होता है. सो दिस स्पेस इज अ premium doors and windows display by Railingo, and the firm name is Kavach. It was a difficult site to design because of the shape of the commercial space that they have. I'll show you, come. So this space looked like this when it was blank. Actually a very typical one if you see it here. So we had a very, very narrow entrance, and the customer, when they got off the lift, they had to walk through this long passage and then reach the main hall, which was this. And we had the task of actually not making one showroom but making two showrooms within this very long and narrow space. And those two showrooms actually catering to two different kinds of customer segments. One was very premium doors and windows and unique solutions that the owner wanted to provide. And the second was the economical options that they also wanted to provide to people. Now we had to create these two zones in such a way that it was integrated and yet very, very different. We actually made 7 plans for them, and finally these 7 plans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 revision, 7 revision, and this was then the final floor plan, which is the 8th plan that we reached at. Now if we see these plans, when we were working on these plans, our primary objective was to give those products the center stage that was the most premium, and that was the showcase product. So we wanted to create the first impression by creating a bigger entrance lobby, and that was achieved by giving a seating zone and a reception. Now if we see the final plan, in each of the plans this was there, but somehow this was the one which was finally selected. And this had all the doors and windows display according to the product. This detailed study of the product was done by us, and then this plan with exact product number. If you would see here, we have given the product number and the number of doors that would be put there with great detailing. This was done. A proper MD's cabin, which was kind of also dividing the two sections, and a discussion room which was also conference wherein they could seal the deals, and also a transition to the windows display, which was the back area, which was carried out. Once this plan was finalized, each product was actually categorically put at a certain place as per the standard size. We did a detailed study of their each and every product in their catalog, and the entire zone was such that the center area looked very free and very comfortable for many people to come at once. Even if they have like 7 to 10 sets of clients, that means around 20 to 30 people also in this, they could take a look at all the products that they have in detail. And these all are operational doors that people can actually open the doors, close the doors and see for themselves. So we worked out on the wall drawings in such a way that each one of them was actually fastened through the roof and also on the floor, so that it was operational and everybody could actually see them, not only in the design part of it but also the functionality of the doors. There are some elements though that still need to be added there, but it was great to have worked on this. And let me show you the 3D of the space. In my team, I have with me Arsh, who actually worked with me in this project. If I was to ask you, what is that one learning that you got from this project? This is your first commercial project that you
Yes.
completed. What is the one learning that you have from this?
The one learning I'll say about the themes, that how we can incorporate the door designs in the spaces, and like we have those 7 to 9 feet doors, and how we can blend that with the design theme. So there are few these kinds of design.
All right. So the one thing that designers actually need to know when they're doing any commercial space, that you need to know your client's product portfolio really well before you start designing for them, because it is their product that needs to sell through your design. Thank you.